guys, it's Arnav Jamitar from the Perfect Siblings India, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of the Ars Pyraminx. That's what they say. It's from the RNS Toys. Here's the packaging. Here says satisfying to turn, hard to solve. But seriously guys, this is not hard to solve. They always lie, I don't know why. It says that satisfying to turn, hard to solve. Pyraminx is a tough nut to crack. Seriously guys, this is not a nut. But don't break out the nutcracker yet. As you twist, each section of the puzzle sides turn smoothly and lock into the place with a satisfying snap, making extended gameplay enjoyable. This is not a gameplay. It is not a gameplay. It's called cubing, guys. Horrible. So at the back, it just shows how to move it. Difficulty 4 stars. Seriously, these packagings are very bad, guys. Seriously, they're seriously very bad. Here it is. Back. Exporter Hong Kong Rising International Limited. I don't want to tell that. Just all that boring stuff. Here, I'll show you. This is a nice thing. I like that. Back, side. It says nothing. So now the box review is done. Now let's get on to the unboxing. I've got my scissors. Let's cut open the back. Nice taping this time. Last time the Shenshaw cube packaging was terrible. Oh shit. Okay, so unboxing it. Here it comes. Oh wow. It looks pretty good. Colors are very bad. Not bad. Colors are pretty bright, dude. Nothing inside it. No pamphlets. Here it is. Yellow, blue, green, orange. That's colors. Let's go get on to our questions. It's pretty good. It just like so. It's a very good one. Let's check out corner cutting. It's actually corner cutting. No. Just move these. There's good. Now the lower one. Move this thingy. Oh, that was good. That's good. It turns pretty good. Now let's give it a scramble and solve it. See, it's difficulty level. And scrambling. This will show you satisfying. I think this is good scramble. Scrambles are never good for cubers. See this? I'm going to start solving. Okay. It is good. To be honest, guys, it is good. This is good stuff. I would say it It is good. It is good. And done. It's done. That was a good. It's a good one. Good ceramics. Let's. Oh, I didn't look at it. It is stickered. I thought it's the tile ones. I'm gonna just peel off these caps. It's a good one. It's a good cube. I also bought the Dynashank 4x4 cube, but I was excited for it, so I unboxed it, and so I'm not able to solve it. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe too.